No matter how beautiful and spacious your home is, a cramped closet can make home buyers cringe. Home buyers want tons of storage space, but renovating may not be worth the expense. Try these sneakier solutions instead. Here are 4 hacks to max out a tiny closet. Number 1. Declutter your closets. Get those garbage bags ready. Remove as many items from your closets as you can to show them off as spacious. If you have to invest in a storage space to hold your out-of-season clothes or holiday decorations, do it. Number 2. Add a fresh coat of paint and a light. Paint the entire closet white or off-white to appear brighter and larger. You can also add a closet light. This will give buyers the sense they'll be able to find things, even way in the back. Number 3. Add some closet organizers. If your closet is always a mess, you might want to go for that fancy closet organization system. For a budget solution, install some shelves and shoe organizers from your local home improvement store. Number 4. Display your stuff. Fill 2/3 of the space on each shelf or hanger rack, making the space appear useful rather than overflowing.